pattern match in list of strings, create new column in pandas. I have a pandas data frame with the following general format. I also have a list of product codes I would like to match. Unfortunately, I have to do NLP extraction, so it will not be a clean match, and then create a new column with the matching list value. I am not too worried about there being collisions. This would be easy enough if I just needed a true/false indicator using contains and the list values concatenated together with, for alternation, but I am a bit stumped now on how I would create a column value of the exact match. Any tips or trick appreciated.
Since you're not worried about collisions, you can join your product_name list with the operator, and use that as a regex. Result.